Okay, exponents. Exponents is one of my favorite topics because you get this big expression or not so big, and then you just simplify it and it becomes just little tiny one, and it has those negative powers. Students usually a little bit confused, but anyways, this is the topic that you will have in the 9th grade, in the 8th grade, and on ACT tests, SAT tests. So let's get to it. It's easy, it's fun, and this is something that you should do 100% on any test. Okay, so let's go. We need to simplify. Okay, so there are some rules that I assume that you know the rules. Technically, we need to collect, you see here we have this x, y's, and z's, and there are some rules that you do with exponents, and you collect them all so that you will have just like some x and some power. Anyways, let's get to this. So first we have those in parentheses. Let's open parentheses in a way. There's a rule that basically says that when x and y in parentheses and -4, it goes, both of them goes into -4's power. So x into -4 and y, those two guys will be multiplied, okay? So -8. Okay, z3. Guys, I suggest not to rush and first rewrite it and then collect all your powers. Okay, so x -3. Okay, and we go. The next move is to collect all your x, y's, and z's. We're gonna do it here. Okay, so x. What's going on with x? So when we divide, you remember we subtract powers, right? So -4 minus 3, so +3, guys. And write it like this. It will take you a second, okay? It's just me kind of talking about this. But -8 minus 2. All right, now what's left? Z3 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, okay? Okay, so what do we have? We have x minus 1, y -10, and z4. Now, negative power and positive. Now we're gonna make it all nice and, you know, like cozy there. So negative powers goes downstairs, okay? Because technically, what does this mean? It just means, well, in the proper way, 1 over x in the first power, right? This guy just means 1 in the 10th. And this guy stays upstairs over there. So if we'll just rewrite it, it's going to be z4 x. Well, technically you write the bigger power up front and x. And that's it. That's the answer. That's all.